Okay. Excuse me, sorry. Last, pero mo.
Saan niyo po to? Saan niyo po to natin card? Center, center.
Dito po, dito. Right side na po, guys. Last one pa to your left. Last view. Sa gitna. Last po. Official po. Official ulit. Gitna.
Okay. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Dire-diretso po tayo.
Hindi na yung charger kasi yung laptop.
Ayun.
Sa pelikulang Uninvited, lalong-lalo na sa mga netizens natin dahil as of this moment, the Nicole teaser of Uninvited has collectively earned millions of views in all social media platforms and counting. Maraming salamat.
Super trendy.
Grabe talaga. Ay, nako. Lalong-lalo na yung sinabi niya.
Gusto kong ulitin dito, kaso bawal. Gusto kong ulitin dito.
Nakakatakot.
Kaso bawal ko. Hindi po natin yung sasabihin.
But,
May teaser 1 and 2 na. And early tonight, we have unveiled the official poster of Uninvited. Kita mo yun?
Yes.
Pero parang may kulang.
may mga guesses ba kayo before?
May guess ka ba?
Ang guess ko, I guess let's make everyone sit down first. Yes, again, welcome po natin the star-studded cast ensemble of Uninvited. Maraming salamat. And also to our guests, please take your seats.
Please take your seats.
Okay, to all the media right here in front, we really appreciate all the photos that you're taking, but keep in mind to use our official hashtags for the evening. And also, I think we signed a waiver a while ago. During that surprise that we're going to be giving you, wag muna po a record yung ipapakita namin sorpresa. Okay?
Excited na sila syempre.
Yes, except for your reaction videos. Okay? But right now, we'll be dropping something special for everyone here in Soler. Ika nga nila, we'll be saving the best for last.
At po sa mga nanonood pa ng ating live stream on Facebook, nandito pa rin po kami sa Soler Resort North. And now, in just a short while,
Yes, actually.
we will proceed to the question and answer portion with the cast and crew of Uninvited. Siyempre, kasama pa rin ang mga kaibigan natin from the press and the media.
Hello, guys.
Sobrang tensyonado. But we're all grateful that we did this movie.
Well, we're so excited.
Uninvited on December 29, an official entry to the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
This is the biggest party of the year. Actually, kanina pa natin ito hinihintay. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we promised a while ago, we have that special treat for everyone right here in Soler North. Yes, we are giving you an exclusive look on Uninvited's official trailer. Is everyone excited? You guys ready? Let's make this happen. Sa team bahay na nanonood sa atin ngayon, we'll be dropping the official trailer on our socials this November 30. Okay? But right now, please don't
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, again, an exclusive premiere of the official trailer of Uninvited.
partying and speaking of partying, where will we party this Christmas? Magkasama po tayo, nakikinig po natin. Ang lahat po ng MMFFH. Of course, nakikinig po natin ang Christmas Cinematic Party this 2024. Uninvited, my name is Robert Rico.
Ako po si Kaka Karen!
And it's been a pleasure inviting you to the Uninvited Grand Launch. Alright. Thank you so much. Okay. Eat, drink, and be merry because it's time to party! It has been the official grand launch of Uninvited Guests.
Thank you very much, everybody. At sa rest of the evening.
Tawagin mo siya.